ZENA stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. ZenaTech. I mean, I love how we actually just went 34% up or so for the day. I personally am still looking at this thing from this perspective. I have not made a video on it previously, but it's a pretty bearish market, right? It's a pretty bearish market. Yeah, like a decent increase in prices, cool and whatnot, but like I made 29,000 videos and this is just a fake out. I mean, I literally have no course to tell you this is my genuine 2 cents. We've been going on forever. The likelihood of this continuing to go lower is higher than everything, you know. So again, please do your due diligence. Like don't just like blindly follow my analysis or whatever, my advice. This is not even advice, this is my bias. And if there is a double break, then and only then that's something that I'll take lower. So I'm waiting for this, and this is crucial. Goodbye and enjoy.